Provo Beast do another unboxing. Today we're doing this Kenwood DDX6703S doubled-in Kenwood radio. This Kenwood features Apple CarPlay. It's probably the biggest thing that it has going for it. And a lot of people also like the functionality of a volume knob. Those are starting to disappear on newer units today. So what we're going to do is show you exactly all the things that it comes with. We're going to get this all pulled apart. To give a big shout out to our sponsor, Sonic Electronics, so check them out for great deals on speakers, head units, amps, subs, wiring, etc. Use discount code ProvoBeast for an instant 5% off your next purchase during checkout. We have a GPS antenna, a Bluetooth mic, main wiring harness, stereo keys, manual mounting hardware. When it's open, it does come with a little dash bezel or a trim piece. Then the radio itself. Okay, so we got everything pulled apart here. Like I said, we have our wiring harness, our little antenna. This is, in fact, a little USB connection, and this end will plug into the back of the radio and the mic. Now, nice thing with Kenwoods, generally they all come with mounting cans, even the doubled ends. And so if you have an application where you don't need a dash kit but have a dash opening that's a perfect size of a doubled end, you can use the can instead to securely mount the radio within that cavity. And then this is the trim piece that would just clip onto that dash can. Now we have our actual radio itself. Here on the front we got our power home button, we have our cam button, we have our app button as well as a voice button if you hold it down for Bluetooth talk. We have, if you click the volume knob, it's your mute and our volume as well. Now you have the eject button, we have a reset button, and then a CD DVD slot there on top. Like I said, it's a standard doubled in size, which is great. Here on the back we do have our USB slot, our main wiring harness input, a spot for satellite radio. We have our GPS antenna input, our mic input. We have our iData-Link Maestro input as well. And on the back here we have a video out, we have our pre-outs, we have our auxiliary input. Now if you want to hook up, for example, a red, white, and yellow input, you'd have to get the Kenwood adapter harness. Now sticking out from the radio, we have our video out, our reverse camera input, and our front viewing camera input, which is kind of new to this model, which is pretty cool. You can mount a camera on the front of your car if you want it. And we have our antenna Motorola input as well. Alright, so we are here with our new radio. Everything's all booted up here. We got it all installed. As you can see here, it's a little bit step up from the previous year's model. New interface, a little bit different screen design. You can hit this button down here at the bottom. It's going to show you more of your apps here. You can go back and forth. This is iData-Link Maestro compatible, so if you do set that up, you can actually have more options. Control your climate controls, parking assist, things like that with this unit, which is great. You got your USB, iPod, AVN, audio settings, standby, also other things. So if you had satellite radio, that would work as well. Here at the main screen you got your Bluetooth audio, CarPlay, which we have connected, and our HD radio, XM if we have that functionality, disc, Spotify, and Pandora. Once those are activated on our phone, you can go to the gear settings. Allows you to adjust your AV settings, your display, user interface with your background, clock, everything like that, camera, special Bluetooth, and security. So a lot of cool settings. Now if we go actually into Apple CarPlay is awesome. It allows you to jump back and forth in between different apps here pretty seamlessly. The nice thing with this unit is it's just about as smooth with using Apple Maps and other things as your phone would be. So you can actually jump between apps, touching here too from your recently used. But really cool unit. We picked this up. You can pick this up with our sponsor, Sonic Electronics. It's a great deal. It's a great unit for the price. If you have any questions about this unit, just go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.